Hello everyone, my name is Kai, the owner of Follicles 360 Salon in Torrance, California. I have been practicing cosmetology for over 20 years, and due to the hair loss epidemic, I am now a studying trichologist. I made this decision because I wanted to help women restore their hair as well as regain their confidence. I am coming to you today because I have entered into a 60-day video marketing challenge in an effort to bring awareness to my brand. So throughout the next 60 days, we will be discussing all things Follicles 360 Salon. What that means is we'll be discussing everything that has to do with healthy hair, because at Follicles 360 Salon, we believe that beauty starts from within. We will talk to you about how to discover your nutritional deficiencies, hair loss issues, scalp disorders, amongst a host of other things. So we would like for you to stay tuned because we have so much to offer you. We're located at 2050 Artesia Boulevard, Suite 102, Torrance, California, 90504. Our number is 310-324-3007. You can also reach us on Facebook at Follicles 360 Salon, and we can be reached on Twitter at Follicles, as well as on the internet at www.follicles.com. We look forward to teaching you all things hair care.